Hey everyone, welcome to my first vlog. So today I'm pretty excited as I'm gonna be sharing my first day site visit experience with you all. So let me just start. First of all, the most important thing is you should have an inch tape with you and you should be well aware of the unit conversions, the feet and inches. So let me just start. First of all, let me tell you the plot size of the site which I went. It was 30 by 50 and after that I entered the house. So first of all, I saw the process of finishing work was going on. I saw the fall ceiling, the TV unit, and I entered the kitchen. So there I saw the platform and the cabinets. So I just measured the platform height, and it was like the standard platform height of the kitchen is 34 to 36 inches. So for the finishing work, to fill the imperfections of the wall, even the smallest cracks require you to apply wall putty after a coat of primer, following the same with the subsequent coating of wall putty. So allowing the primer to dry completely before the application is vital. Like we need it for a flawless finish. And after that, let me just tell you the basic process of finishing for construction work. Like in this, you need like different labor contractors and like painter, carpenters, polishers and electricians and plumbers. So first of all, the electric wire installation is like done, and then the ceiling design is being like finalized, and after that there is like a washroom tiles installation of doors, and the paint work is done. So the paint work is done like by wall scrubbing, and it is like being followed by primer coats, and all the woodworks, the wardrobes and the kitchen cabinets. Exterior paint works is being started, and installation of railings or glasses and the electric lights obviously. And after that this is it. So let's go. Okay, so let's just go to the first floor. So when I just went there, I saw the workers were working on the TV unit. They were just doing the painting work. So the paint which was being used was the deco paint. So let me just tell you a little bit about this deco paint. So previously this was only used in automotive companies, like in the cars or in the pipes, but nowadays people use it in interior parts like furnitures and wardrobes ho gaya, and apna walls ho gaye koi, because it gives a luxurious look and the finishing is like very nice. So people like use it nowadays. It has a demerit also, like you can't use it where there is like direct sunlight, because it just makes the color look a little bit of like yellowish. So you shouldn't use it in exterior. So yeah, after that I just went to the bedroom, and everything was like done, only finishing part was left. And the balcony, I went to the balcony. So in the balcony only a few tile work was left on the exterior part, and after that, yeah, this was it which I just saw over there. This was my experience for the first day site visit. And so yes, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon, because I'm going to be coming up with a series of videos, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.
It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart, 'cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and